Hello everyone! For today I picked up a skincare tool and the name is Clawash. In the Korean skincare process, cleansing is really important. First, you usually cleanse your skin with a facial oil, after that with a foam cleanser, and in the end you can use cleansing water to just finish the cleansing process. And for this you can use sponges. The package itself is waterproof and it contains 2 sponges. For me, it's a pink and a purple one. It looks like this. It's really easy to use this sponge. First, you need to wet the sponge. You don't need to use facial oil. Also, you don't need to use foam cleanser. Just with the wet sponge, you need to cleanse off your skin gently in a circular motion. I compared this sponge with my last sponge that I used. I used only water with them, and also I tried these sponges with the help of cleansing foam to just see the differences, to see how much this sponge is better than my original simple facial sponge, and also how much does it work. You definitely want to cleanse it, but that process is really easy. You just need to use some foam cleanser on the sponge and you wash it. It will get white as a new one just after 1 minute. You just need to rinse it off with the water and it's clean. As an extra tip, I would mention that this washcloth is great for cleansing your skin, for cleansing the makeup, but also I think it will be great for baby also as a washcloth. For travel, it's a really simple thing to pack, it's really light, and you don't need any other cleansing product beside of this one. On the test, you can obviously see that this sponge is better than the original sponge that I used. It's more thorough on the skin, it cleans off the eyeliner, the eyeshadow, and even the lipsticks. I experienced one more thing. When I use my original simple basic sponge, Sometimes my skin got irritated and it became red, but when I use this sponge, my skin doesn't get any irritation. It feels really soft on my skin, so I don't need to rub my skin to remove all the makeup. But even if I do, it doesn't feel hurt, it doesn't cause any irritation. So altogether, it's easy to use, you don't need foam cleanser, it's really easy to cleanse the sponge itself, and it doesn't cause any irritation. Thank you for watching, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, bye bye!